Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add Google Drive to desktop. To start, go to the link we leave you in the video description. Click on Download Drive for desktop. After click on the file, click Yes to continue. In the wizard, you can create the shortcuts for desktop if you need. Click on Install. After this, wait for the installation process to finish. When finished, click Launch. On the wizard, click on Get Started. Now click on Sign In and then enter the email and password of the Gmail account to use in Drive. Click Sign In again to confirm the login. In this step, you can choose the folders to backup. If you need, can add more folders. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When finished, click Open Drive. Here from the taskbar, you can see the status of Google Drive. Now open the File Explorer. You can see Google Drive as a separate drive. Access it to see its content. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.